Welcome to the Mouthguard Store. I'm Dr. Mike Williams. People often ask, what is the difference between snoring and sleep apnea? Obstructive sleep apnea, also known as OSA, is the most common form of sleep apnea, and it is potentially a serious medical disorder. If you have OSA, your breathing repeatedly stops and starts while you're sleeping. When that breathing stops, it is called an apnea. Everyone who has OSA snores. Snoring, on the other hand, is the loud noise produced by people who are trying to overcome an airway obstruction while they sleep. And there could be various causes for this snoring. So you could have snoring and not have OSA. So in conclusion, snoring is the noise and sleep apnea is the medical problem. The Mouthguard Store offers various self-help tips for snoring and a diagnostic questionnaire to help determine if you have OSA. You can find a variety of mouthpiece solutions for treating both OSA and snoring at the Mouthguard Store.